Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional looking blog in Notion from start to finish using only Notion's built-in tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean and organized blog ready to publish your ideas, articles, or creative content. Even if you're completely new to Notion, don't worry because I'll guide you through every step clearly and simply. Let's get started. First, open your Notion workspace using either the desktop app or your browser. Once you're inside, head to the top left corner and click the drop-down menu. From there, select Browse Templates. This opens Notion's template library where you can explore professionally designed layouts for different purposes. If you can't find the drop-down menu, no need to worry. You can simply go to the search bar and search Templates. In the search bar, type Blog. Notion will instantly display several blog templates you can use. Take a few moments to browse through the options and choose one that matches the style you want for your blog. Some templates are clean and minimal, while others are more creative and visually detailed. After finding a template that matches the style you want, click on it to open the preview page. This gives you a closer look at how the blog is structured, including sample blog posts, page layouts, navigation sections, and other built-in features that come with the template. Take a moment to explore the design and see whether it fits the type of content you plan to create. If you're satisfied with the overall layout and functionality, go ahead and click the Add button to import the template directly into your Notion workspace. Notion will automatically copy the template into your workspace, giving you a fully structured blog setup in seconds. This saves you from building pages and layouts manually. Now it's time to customize your blog. Start by updating the main details, such as your blog title, author name, and introduction. These are the first things visitors will notice, so make sure they reflect your style or brand clearly. Next, begin creating your own blog posts. You can replace the sample content with your own writing, ideas, tutorials, or stories. Notion makes editing very simple, so you can easily add headings, images, checklists, quotes, or embedded media to make your posts more engaging. If you want your blog to feel more personalized, you can also customize the appearance. Try changing the cover image, updating icons, adjusting fonts, or creating categories for different topics. For example, you could organize posts into sections like technology, productivity, lifestyle, or business, depending on your content. One of the best things about Notion is its flexibility. You can rearrange sections, add new pages, or redesign layouts at any time without needing technical skills or outside tools. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a professional blog directly inside Notion using a ready-made template. As you continue exploring Notion's features, you'll discover even more ways to improve and customize your workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what kind of blog you're planning to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.